So in this video, we're going to look at how to import a job into Fiery XF. So first of all, I've opened up the Fiery Command Workstation software, as we can see here, just down there. I've made sure that I'm on my printer, and I've gone to my All Jobs tab there as well. I can see all my jobs in the queue. I'm then going to go to Import. I'm then going to go to a file, and then I can press Open, and then we'd end up with this screen here. So in this screen we can choose our printer if we have multiple, we can choose a workflow if we have different workflows available, and then we can choose a media mode in here as well. So for example, I'm going to go for pop 600 by 600 6-pass. Now you'll also see that the 600 by 600 6-pass is also the default, so if you don't change anything, this is what will always come up. And then I've got the options at the bottom here of nest all jobs. So if I've brought in multiple jobs, then I can actually add jobs at this point as well. So I can add more and more here as well. Now, if I've bought multiple jobs, I can nest all jobs at the same time. So that means that they'll be on the same material using the same settings, or I can bring them in separately. Now I could go and just press hold, and all that will do is bring it into the queue on hold. It won't rip it, it won't do anything with it. Then I can choose some other options. I can go process and hold or print. Process and hold means that it's going to process the job first for us, so bring it in and do that conversion, then hold it. And also print just means it's going to send it straight off to your printer, straight off to your hot folder. Or I can cancel in here as well. I'm going to go for process and hold. You'll see then my job comes into the queue. There it is at the bottom. Now it's spooling at the moment, so if I have it clicked, you'll see the spooling activity, and you can see it's loading on the side there. There we go. Now we can see the job spooling at the top. That's the processing happening. Now in theory, once this is done, this job would be ready to go. However, we haven't edited it, we haven't changed any settings. Now at this point, I could literally just press print, and that would send the job off to my printer. So that's how we import a job into Fiery XF RIP software.